Okay, so we are done with the installation. Now the time for us to do the Sonar integration with Jenkins, right? So I have Jenkins installed on the same box, so I will open this my Jenkins here. I think Jenkins is not running. Lavina, sorry.
सुखविंदर ये लोग किसकी बात कर रहे थे कि ओपन सोर्स नहीं है?
Guys, now you can see I have logged into my server, right? You have two things to do now, right? I have, although I have mentioned each and everything in the documentation, and those will be available in the videos also, right? If you come down and you can see installing SonarQube server and configuration property, everything is there. But this is the first time we are going with the everything default things, right? So you need to go to manage Jenkins first, right? And you need to install the SonarQube scanner first. So just go to manage plugins, and I think I'll have already installed it, so you can go to install section and see SonarQube here, right? So you will need SonarQube scanner for Jenkins. This will help you to run some the scanner in the Jenkins. So once you are done with the installation of this plugin, right, you'll get this in the available section, because this will not be installed in your system. So once you are done with the installation, you need to configure the SonarQube scanner, right? Just go to manage Jenkins and go to global tool configurations, right? In the global tool configuration, scroll it down and go to the SonarQube scanner section. In the SonarQube scanner section, give the name here whatever you want to give. Let's say I have given the SonarQube, and which version of the SonarQube scanner you are looking for. If you do not want to do this, you will have to download the SonarQube scanner and install here itself in the system, as we do for the Maven and Java, right? So here I am telling adding the scanner with the Jenkins itself, right? This is the tool, as we have Maven and other tools. So the scanner version is this, so just apply and save, right? So once you're done with the scanner installation, now you need to make connectivity between your server and the SonarQube server, right? And configure a couple of parameters, right? For that you need the user ID password of the SonarQube, right? So first what you need to do is you need to generate the secret key. For generating the secret key, log into your SonarQube, click on your account here and go to my accounts. In my accounts you will see the profile and a security section. So just go to the security section here, right, and create one token here. Let's say I am creating SonarQube token here. As soon as you click on generate, it will give you one key here. Just copy this key from here. So once you are done with this, just go ahead in the Jenkins and add the secret key. So just go to the credential section. In the credential section, click on the Jenkins credential, right? Click on the global credentials here, right, and click on add credential. So what do you need? Username and password, secret file and secret text. We have a secret text, right? So I said this is my secret text, right, and just save this. I have two secrets here, so let me remove the older one if this is not needed. Yes. So let me update this one more time. Let me remove this also. I'll recreate it so that it doesn't make any confusion for me. Secret text, give your secret and okay. Right, you're done with the adding secrets now. Right, now the next task for you is go to Manage Jenkins, scroll down, go to Configure System, because you have to give the SonarQube username and the port SonarQube working on. Here you'll have to search for Sonar, right, and you'll get the section here. So let me delete it from here. Right, so you'll get this box here, SonarQube server. Right, here you will get the SonarQube installations. This is basically where your SonarQube installation is. So click on Add Sonar, give the name here whatever you want to give. I am giving SonarQube. Here you'll have to give the SonarQube URL. So what is your SonarQube URL? This is my SonarQube URL, and just remove this. Right, and the next is you have to give the secret you created. Select your secret here, and you're all done. Go ahead, apply and save. Right, so once you are done with this, now the time for you to integrate your SonarQube with your jobs. Right, so the last time we was going through the pipeline as a code, right? So again we're gonna use the pipeline as a code in this section. So I will get to my repository. Even I think I have one repository here which basically supports this. So this is test pipe. Right, if you go to the test pipe section, I have already modified the Jenkins file here in the declarative pipeline. I have added one more stage here. My stage says stage build and SonarQube analysis. Step says SonarQube environment, what name you want to give, right, and what will be your, how the Sonar will work. So I have done ambient clean package, ambient clean install. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. So let's say I'm gonna modify this here. I will call it install. Right, so the deployment will fail, right, because we will not have anything to deploy here. Let me create it in the client server itself. So I'll just commit it in the test pipeline itself. So let's go ahead and create one pipeline. Click on new item. So SonarQube _ pipeline. So select the pipeline, click on OK. Oh, let's jump directly to the pipeline section and select the pipeline script from SCM. We are going to use Git. So you can give your repository here. So my repository is and from which branch you are going to build test-pipe. So this is my branch in which my code is available that I have modified, right? So go ahead, apply and save. So now I will just go ahead and run this build and see what happens. So let's click here and see what's happening. So the packaging has been started. Alright, so scroll it down. So you can see the test cases are running. So once test cases are done, you can see the sonar has been executed here, right? And sonar cases are running now. So you can see it is running couple of module on your sonar cube. I mean instruction on the sonar cube. So you can see 9 source file to be analyzed once. Okay, so you can see sonar cube analysis has been done here. Sorry, you can see the sonar cube analysis was done. This build is about to fail because we do not have the source here in the deployment section. So let's go up and see the analysis report uploaded in 2229 millisecond, and analysis report has been successfully submitted in this in the server on this location, right? And more about the report processing at, you can just click here, you will directly get it from it will directly redirect you to that report here. So what all has been published here. So if you go here also in this section and go to your home page, you will see that all the things has been uploaded here. So now you can see 33 bugs in the code, 36 vulnerabilities in the code, 20 code smell, 0.0 coverage, मतलब totally failed, right? And you can see 1.5% duplicacy in the code. So now you can tell developers that these all issues in your code, go ahead and fix them. So click on issues now. It would have opened couple of issues here also. You can assign the developers directly from here itself. You can see it, right? What issues are there? क्या क्या issue है ये बोल रहा है? Ensure that the string concatenation is required and safe for the SQL queries, right? The second, it says one duplicate block for the code must be removed. कह रहा है और एक बार डुप्लीकेशन भी है कोड में, यहाँ पे डुप्लीकेट कोड है, उसे हटाना है आपको. कैसे देखना है? आप क्लिक करोगे, इट विल टेल यू कि कहाँ पर डुप्लीकेसी है, राइट? Major, minor, which code is there, you can see linear, loss, 10 minute, everything would be there, right? And you can see here ये बोल रहा है कि password detection in this expression reviewed and potentially hard coded things. कह रहा है कि आपने पासवर्ड भी हार्ड कोड किया, यू शुड नॉट डू दिस, राइट? आपको ही करना है, डिसाइड करना है कि वल्नरेबिलिटी है, बग है, ब्लॉकर है, ये कैसे आपको रखना है. यहाँ पे है, आपको कंफर्म करना है, आपने रिजॉल्व कर दिया तो आपको रिजॉल्व एंड कंफर्म करना है. एवरीथिंग इज देयर. If you want to assign it to some user here, if you have created, then you can do that, right? So each and everything you can get it from here. So you can see it will show you where is the duplicacy. So you can see this is the duplicate block here. So this way, easily the developer would be able to fix up their issues, and SonarQube help them much doing the things. Just open it, it will tell you where is the issue. You can see here is the code smell and something where you need to fix it. So any doubt on this, guys?